Halo teman-teman semua, kembali lagi bersama Mandar Explore Drone. Kali ini kita melakukan perjalanan ke Pamboborang Camp Park. Lokasinya berada di Kabupaten Majene, Sulawesi Barat. Akan start dari Jembatan Tinambung. Jadi jarak dari Jembatan Tinambung ke Pamboborang itu 13 km. Waktunya kita go. Nah, kita berada di pintu gerbang Majene nih. Kita lanjut perjalanan.
I have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Nah, jadi teman-teman, tempat ini sangat-sangat indah ya. Cocok untuk keluarga, semua umur, dari anak-anak sampai dewasa. Cocok juga buat untuk yang healing, buat camping, menghabiskan waktu bersama teman-teman.
Don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
Jadi untuk sampai ke sini sangat-sangat mudah ya. Mungkin sekitar 3 km lebih ya dari jalan poros. Bisa naik kendaraan roda 2 maupun roda 4.
Solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid when I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Nah, ini adalah video part pertama ya, karena saya juga baru pertama kali kesini, jadi kita terbang tinggi-tinggi saja dulu ya. Nanti part selanjutnya kita akan terbang lebih dekat, melihat objek-objek yang ada di Pamboborang Camp Park.
Bored of killing me. And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Ya teman-teman, memang pada video kali ini kita betul-betul terbangnya random ya. Kita terbang secara acak saja karena ini adalah video pertama kita di sini. Nanti pada video part 2 berikutnya kita akan terbang lebih detail lagi ya, melihat objek-objek yang ada di bawah sana.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.